Hey, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm gonna look at the GE fridge side by side, and we're gonna start out with the control panel. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when we notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, folks, another video on the fridge. Today's a GE fridge side by side. You got door alarm, you got the water filter reset. You got the water, you got the crushed ice, cube ice, light. You also notice the lock controls over here. Well, what's that? Well, you hold your finger to it for 3 seconds, it'll lock out the display. And it's a very nice feature if you have little kids that like to push buttons. Okay, so you hold it for another 3 seconds, and that will unlock it. Then you can turn off the light. Okay, so door alarm is mainly if you have the door open. You probably noticed that. You got just the temperature of the freezer over here by just pressing a button. Simple as that. Okay, and refrigerator side is over here. And you go up and down. Right? So very simple functionality overall. I thought I'd do a video on it, even though it's self-explanatory in a way. And this side-by-side fridge is, works really well, but it's not perfect. You can see the doors, the one on the left and the one on the right. The one on the left is a little bit higher. You could probably see that, right? So you could expect the workmanship is not going to be perfect. I had a similar issue when I had the whirlpool as well. So I'm not just saying it's a GE issue or anything in particular. But all the mechanical part definitely works on this fridge. One of the big thing is the stainless steel I have here. You could get fingerprints on the door handles and also on the outside as well. So inside, side by side, very easy fridge. Definitely has plenty of storage on the fridge side. So it goes all the way to the bottom. And the freezer side mainly is similar. I'm just going to show you the ice part. Over here, there's a latch on the bottom. You see, you can get that over here. Yeah, it looks like it's full right now. So there's a latch, you grab on that, then you can pull it out. And you probably can see the ice. See all the way to the top. So if you have a big party, then you probably want to get more ice. This is definitely not going to make all the ice you need. So that's pretty much the control panel walkthrough. And with the doors open, the door alarm will blink over there. Oh, by the way, one other thing I want to show you. So you can take this out and clean it, or you can clean the bottom. So you're gonna get it dirty over time. So it's just nice to have a water tray, I guess. If you spill or overfill, for example. So it's gonna be a short video. Hope you liked the video. Surprise of the day. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you like the video, help me with a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. If you have any questions, leave it below as well too. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.